Hello guys, I ordered a Rolex from Shopee for 228 baht, which equals $6 or 6 euros, and it arrived today and we are going to open it now. Got my knife here, let's see. Ooh. Really nice package. I can see it already. I hope it's original and not fake. There it is. I choose the gold one. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. So it doesn't feel so heavy, but I don't know about the real ones because I never had one. But the quality looks okay. And I'm gonna make some close-up shots now. It's a bit too big for me, but I have actually big arms, so yeah. But the quality in total is good for $5-6, 6 euros, so I can't complain. And it looks good. So everything works, as you can see. Every button has a function. Every wheel turns around. So yeah, I mean, all in all, I would give it a good, solid 6 out of 10. And if you want to see more videos, let me know.